Hi, it's Tuesday, October 8th, 2024, and I'm making progress on my wall construction here. I'm done with the east end of it for this year anyway. That's what we're looking at now. For this third load of stones I got had a lot of smaller stones that were still flat. And so the interesting thing was they were actually easier to stack, and I feel as though I'm getting the hang of it also. So I'm really proud of this last section that you see here because that's more solid than other sections. And, relatively speaking, that's what the other side of it looks like. I think it turned out really well. And from here you can kind of see the length of it. This is probably about 40 feet now. That's the end there, and I wash off the dirt at the end of the time, and when it looks better it'll be more of these kind of soft collection of gray and brown there. It's the coloration of the gneiss is really beautiful, I think. And I've got all the top layers on it now. What I have left to do is this other end, and I took the remaining stones, just spent part of the day moving all these from over there and piling up here so that I have my selection of what I'll be doing to finish this end. And I can probably get another, this looks like a lot of stones, but I think I can probably get another 8 feet out of this at the max. And overall, I'm just happy with how it looks. So there, catch you later, bye.